Imagine making money online without even leaving your home. Sounds too good, right? Well, it's not. Stay tuned, and I am going to show you how AI is unlocking the future of earning in 2025. In the video, I am telling you about to reveal 7 mind-blowing AI tools that are changing the game, and you can start using them today to create a real income stream, no tech skills required. Where you are looking to build your own business or take your YouTube channel to the next level, these tools are the key to success. But hold on, the secrets I am about to share might just shock you. If you are ready to unlock your full potential and start earning like never before, smash that like button and let's dive right in. First one, copy.ai. How it works. Copy.ai uses artificial intelligence to help generate high quality written content for websites, social media posts, and more. How to make money. Offer copywriting services. Offer your services as a freelancer copywriter to business or individuals who need high quality content. You can create product descriptions and copy or social media posts. And second tool is Luminify.ai. How it works. Luminify.ai is a video creation platform powered by AI. It helps users turn blog posts or articles into the engaging video using AI. How to make money. Video production services. Offer video production services to businesses and creators who needs high quality marketing videos and social media videos or promotional videos, but don't have the resources to do it themselves. And YouTube content creation. Use Luminify.ai to quickly create videos for your YouTube channel, especially if you are reprocessing blog content or articles. Engaging videos will attract viewers and boost your channel's growth. The tool Notion.ai. How it works. Notion.ai is a productivity tool that integrates AI to help you organize and streamline your content creation. How to make money. Video scripting. Use Notion.ai to help brainstorm and organize your YouTube video ideas, scripts, and notes. This can increase your productivity and help you create more content in less time. And content planning services offer to help businesses or YouTubers plan their content strategies. You can use Notion.ai to create organized content calendars. Fourth tool, OpenAI Codex. How it works. Software development. How to make money. Coding education and tutorials. Create educational content such as coding tutorials, courses, or ebooks. Use Codex to demonstrate coding techniques and problem solving strategies. Monetizing through platforms like YouTube. Fifth tool, DAL-E. How it works. Graphic design. Use DAL-E for creating unique graphics. How to make money. Custom design services. Offer personalized design services to business or individuals. You can create custom graphics for websites and social media posts. And digital art sales. Create original digital artwork using DAL-E and sell it online through platforms like website. You can offer prints, digital downloads, or even t-shirts, like so on. Sixth tool, Descript.ai. How it works. Descript automatically transcripts audio and video files into text. You can edit the text to make changes to the audio video as the two are linked. How to make money. Offer podcast editing services using Descript to transcribe and edit episodes efficiently. You can help podcasts improve audio quality and content flow. And video editing. Provide video editing services for YouTube channels and creators or businesses. Use Descript.ai to streamline the editing process and deliver polished videos. And last but not the least, seventh tool, Rasa.ai. How it works. Natural language understanding. How to make money. Custom chatbot development. Develop chatbot for businesses in sectors like customer services, e-commerce, or healthcare. And consulting services. Offer consulting services to companies looking to implement conversational AI. Guide them through the setup, customization, and development of Rasa based solutions. Now that you know these 7 incredible AI tools, it's time to take action and start making money. But remember, it's all about consistency and using the right tools at the right time. I am here to guide you through every step, and trust me, and on this channel I share updates about the future. If you stay with me, I will make sure you never miss an opportunity, grow and succeed. I will got even more exclusive tips and strategies coming your way. So, if you found this helpful, and on this channel, I share updates about the future, tips to achieve financial freedom, and guidance for building a freelancer career. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. You will always be the first to know when I drop the new content. I believe in you and your ability to make this most of these tools. Let's take the journey together, and I promise we'll achieve great things. See you in the next video where we unlock even more opportunities for your success. Thank you.